Little Zoo and Skyline Cage's Flight Cage, a dual-use cage ideal for chinchilla, rats and degus, as well as smaller birds like cockatiels, budgerigars and finches. A wonderful adventure playground for rats and other smaller pets, with wooden shelves and ladders, along with perches for birds. The cage can be set as either use, for birds or animals. Accessories for both are included as standard. This cage has two large access doors to the front of the cage and smaller doors to the side. The Little Zoo and Skyline Cage's Flight Cage, a large and practical home for your smaller animals and birds.